Hello kids, welcome to Kids Learning Guru. So today in this video we are going to learn the cursive handwriting. So many parents have the complaints, my kid is not getting a good handwriting, is not writing a good handwriting. Is not having a flow of handwriting. Firstly, he has to practice with the small letters, capital letters. Then letter by letter he can understand, and daily one page of handwriting is must. So when he practice for one page of handwriting daily, then he'll understand the flow of the hand and how to write in a cursive way. Otherwise he'll write only in the individual. So let him practice daily one page or two pages for single word letters, then little words. Then he starts with the sentence, the word gappings, the letter gappings. Then he'll understand how to write. So capital A, how to swing the letters. So he has to daily practice with his cursive handwriting. If you like this video informative, like and subscribe. See you in the next video, children. Bye kids.